The share of burning farm waste has led to a fiery exchange in the Supreme Court as it resumed a hearing on Delhi's air pollution crisis after 2 days. While annual studies have pegged the contribution of stubble burning in neighbouring states between 4 and 10% at the peak of Delhi's pollution season, this number has been found to be as high as nearly 50%. But the top court has said people sleeping in five-star hotels in Delhi blame farmers. The Chief Justice of India saying debates on TV are causing more pollution than any other sources. Arvind joining us with the latest on that. Arvind, some sharp comments in the back and forth in court?
Yeah, Ankita, in fact, after the previous hearing, the Supreme Court had asked the Committee for Air Quality Management in the NCR region to convene again and to come up with some immediate measures to tackle the air pollution in the national capital. So there was a meeting at the committee yesterday, and the recommendation and the decisions of the committee were placed before the Supreme Court today. At the outset, the Solicitor General appearing for the central government made it very clear that there has been some kind of a misreporting or some kind of wrong information that is being spread across, saying that he misled the court on the contribution of the stubble burning to the air pollution in the NCR region, for which the court said that this is not the time to look into all this issue. In fact, the court said that we are not here to look into the numbers that are being presented across. In fact, they don't want the issue to be diverted. They want to look into the main issue, the major causes for this air pollution and how to tackle this particular issue. So that's why the Supreme Court asked some pertinent questions to both the councils of the central government and also the states. Starting with the central government, the Supreme Court asked the decisions or the recommendations of the committee for the air quality management in the NCR region. The recommendations of the committee were placed before the Supreme Court. In fact, the Supreme Court also went to an extent of asking what further actions can be taken to this particular effect, whether the people can be asked not to, whether the central government employees can be asked to work from home, etc. For which the Solicitor General appearing for the central government told that it won't be wise to ask the central government employees to work from home because the work have already been impacted due to the COVID in the previous time, and that's why they are saying that even if the employees are asked to work from home, that won't be of much of benefit to this particular effect. In fact, the central government proposed that they have come up with another proposal asking the central government employees to do carpooling, etc., or to use public transport. Coming to the Delhi government, the Supreme Court asked the Delhi government regarding the measures that the Delhi government has taken to this particular effect. The Delhi government says that all the recommendations or the decisions of the commission have been strictly implemented in the Delhi. In fact, the Supreme Court also asked some pertinent questions to Delhi government regarding the machine sweeping across the national capital. In fact, earlier when the matter was here, the dust on the roads have contributed to a major contribution to the air pollution. That's why the Supreme Court advised the Delhi government to use the machine sweeping of the roads in the national capital, for which the number of machines that needed for this particular aspect were also discussed in detail. Coming to Haryana, the court asked the Haryana government regarding the steps the Haryana and also the Punjab government are taking in order to prevent the stubble burning, because when the petitioner made this stubble burning is a major contribution for the air pollution in the national capital, the Supreme Court said that let's not blame the farmers here, because farmers, they cannot do anything because there has to be incentives to prevent such stubble burning. And also the court asked the state governments regarding the measures that they are taking in order to prevent the stubble burning instead of blaming the farmers. The hearing is still underway, so we have to wait for the final order from the Supreme Court regarding how to tackle the air pollution in the national capital.
All right. Thanks very much indeed, Arvind, for joining us with those latest details as the Supreme Court resumes its hearing in the matter.